morning. All right, so we're gonna do 30-day challenge that's going to start on Monday, okay? And for those of you who need a modification, you can modify the burpee, but please keep in mind, you want to challenge yourself to do at least one burpee, okay? Good morning, Letty. Okay, so let me show you. So this is a regular burpee, not modified version. Down, jump out, jump in, jump out. Keep your knees off the floor. One. Put down the weight. Go into a plank. The plank will be 30 seconds. Then you're gonna grab your weights again. Jump back in. Come back up. And 2 bicep curls. Okay? So plank. Come back up. Modification. With the chair. Okay. Jump out. Jump in. Jump out. Okay? So then it's 1, 2, 1, 2. You're gonna plank on your arms. You can plank on your elbows. Come back. And then you're gonna do bicep curl. And if this Facebook was too difficult, I will get all of your numbers and I will send you a text message with the link for tomorrow's class. It pauses here. For 30 seconds, or if you plank on your elbows for 30 seconds, and then when you're ready to get up, go back on your knees and just get up. Make sure you squat, okay? Do not stand up like this. Make sure you squat. And then it's bicep, bicep, okay? If it's too hard to do with the weights, Then you just do the same thing. You go down, hand, 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 hand. Okay? Squat, up. Good? And that will be the challenge that will start on Monday. Okay? We're gonna do it now so we all practice, but that's gonna be the challenge we're gonna do on Monday to see how many you can do. Cool? And then I'm not gonna worry about food for the rest of the summer because it's summertime. I know you guys wanna enjoy the summer and I don't want anybody to stress out over food. Okay, so we're just gonna focus on exercise to keep our bodies moving. Cool? All right. Okay, got it? Let's try for 20. harder on your chest. So you can row. We're gonna row. Last round. Push, pull, pull, and your heaviest band. Let's go, let's go. 21. All right.